Hello everyone, welcome to ViTechTalks. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create tables in AWS with MySQL database. Okay, and after creating tables, we are going to perform the below DB operations. Okay, so in order to create tables in AWS, so first you need to set up. First, you need to set up AWS account and you need to create a database. So for this, I have already created video. So how to create MySQL database in AWS and how to set up DB visualizer. I have created a video. You can go to our channel like ViTechTalks and go to playlist. So here I have created playlist called AWS. Okay, go through this one. Now let's enter into the topic. Create tables in AWS with MySQL database. I have already created one database. It's called ViTechDB. So this is our endpoint and this is the port number and this is the setup. Okay, this is the setup. Okay, I'm going to disconnect and log in one more time. So it's connecting now. Okay, it is connected. What are the databases it is available? Okay, so ViTech is our database. Now, so here we need to perform how to create. Okay, I want to create one more database. So create database. Okay, create database. I'm going to create as ViTech underscore DB. Okay, so we do have already ViTech. I'm going to create ViTech underscore DB. Select this one and click on run. So it is in progress. Okay. So the query is successfully created the database. Okay. Now, suppose you want to see show databases. Show databases. See, so far we have information schema, MySQL, performance schema, system, ViTech. Okay. There are 5 databases it is available. Now we have created newly ViTech DB. This is our database now. So this entire thing we are creating in a AWS. Okay, we are creating in AWS in ODS. Okay, in ODS we are creating everything. It's not in our local. So everyone can access by using my username and password. You can use it in anywhere. Now, so after show databases, we need to use database. Use database. So because we need to know, right, which database you need to create a tables and all. Okay. So first one is you need to create database and you need to use database. Now, just observe show tables. Show tables. So how many tables it's available? Okay. See here, nothing. Okay. It's a zero tables. So here I'm going to create a tables. Okay. Anyway, we do have a script. Okay. What you can do, you can go to Google and type github.com. Okay. Type github.com slash ViTechTalks. ViTechTalks. Okay, this is our GitHub URL. Now, here, click on repositories. Click on SQL practice. SQL practice. Let's see what is this schema. I mean the table structure and all. So here we do have 7 tables: employees, dependencies, departments, regions, countries, locations, and jobs. So in order to create tables, I have created a script here. Okay. What you can do, see, if you want, you can write manually, but here I want to create everything at a time. Anyway, I'll give you this link in a description. You can take this link and you can also do the same. Now, take all these values, do paste it here. Okay. See, if you want to run only one, you can select only particular query and you can run it. I want to run all. I'm going to select all and create it. Okay. Select all and create it. I think there is some issue. Let's see what is the issue here. Let's go one by one. Okay. So what I will do, so instead of creating all the tables, just we need to practice, right? Okay. So for this, I'll take employees table. Just I want to create employees table. Just remove this one. Just to create this and remove foreign keys and these concepts and all. Okay. Remove comma here. Okay. Now, just I want to run this one. Also not required as a primary key. So this int identity, I think, see this entire script, it is going to work for, this is going to work for, I think, MySQL server. Okay. So there might be some differences. There might be some differences, but here we are using MySQL, not SQL server. Okay. Not SQL server. That is the reason I'm going to make some changes here. See now, create table employees. Employee ID is an integer. First name is a varchar of 20. Last name, email, phone number. Hiring date is the date. Job ID, salary, manager ID, department ID. Okay. So this is how we can create the tables. This is how we can create the tables. Now I have created only one table. Let's see. Show tables. Show tables. See now employees. Okay. Employees table is there. Now I want to see how many columns or rows. Okay. It is present. So here you can see select star from the table name you need to provide. Select star from table name and run this query. Okay. Now you can see there are 0 rows. Okay. It's an empty. Now I want to insert. See, if you want, you can write manually also, insert into table name and the script and all. Anyway, we do have the script. Okay. Just we will do little bit modification and we will execute the same. Insert into employees. Okay. So this is the script. Okay. I want to insert the rows. Okay. I want to insert. Suppose you want to insert only one row. Okay. Let's execute only one row first. Only one first. So if you want to execute all, then select all and you can run. Okay. Let's see. See, one is okay. Okay. One row, it is inserted successfully. Now, if you perform select star from employees, see here you can see employee ID, first name is Steven, last name and email ID, phone number and everything. Okay. The same way, I want to insert all, select everything and you can run. See, it is executing. It is executing one by one. Okay. It is executing one by one. So it's like 36% it is completed. Now it is 46, 50, 60%. So you have to wait for until 100% because we are running all the queries. So the bulk we are inserting now. Now, okay, it is done. Now just you can perform select star from employees. See here, all the rows, all the 40 rows we can see now. Now here you can perform many things. Select count star, okay, count star from employees. There are 40 rows. Now I want to do it in a sorting order, something suppose like this. Or you want to fetch only particular region, or the salary is more than 20,000, okay, 20,000. So everything we can do it here, where salary greater than or equal to 20,000. There is only one row, okay, there is only one row. So far we have seen select and insert and creation of table. Now I want to update something, okay, I want to update for this employee the salary is 30,000. Okay, so how to do this? So it's very simple. Update employees, update table name, set salary equal to 30,000, where employee ID, where employee ID equal to 100. Just execute this one. It's okay. Now if I run this, select star from employee where salary greater than or equal to 20,000. So here you can see 30,000, it is updated. Okay, now I want to delete this one. So it's very simple. Delete from employees, okay, the table name, the where class is mandatory, okay, which row you are going to delete. This is very important. So now it is done. If I run this query, you will get 0 rows because we have already deleted this one. Okay, this is how we can perform DB operations. See, this entire thing, it's available in AWS. See, refresh objects tree. Now you can see here ViTech DB, which we have created. Okay, employees table, what are the columns it is available, and what is the data and everything we can see here. Okay, yep. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.